Meet the Nikon D4s, the ultimate DSLR workhorse for professionals who demand speed, durability, and performance in one powerhouse. Design build, the Nikon D4s screams premium. Machined from magnesium alloy, it's rugged, weather-sealed, and designed to take a beating in the field. The deep grip is incredibly comfortable, and every button is placed with purpose, ideal for pros who need to shoot blind or in gloves. Sensor image quality. The D4s is a 16.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor paired with Nikon's X4 image processor. While the resolution may not wow pixel peepers in 2025, it's the image quality that truly impresses. Clean files, fantastic color science, and stunning dynamic range. Video capabilities. The D4s doesn't forget video. It shoots full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second, great for high-quality clips or slow-motion work. The clean HDMI output, manual audio control, and flat picture profile make it a solid hybrid option, though videographers may want more modern tools today. Battery storage. The ENEL18A battery is a beast, offering up to 3,000 shots on a single charge. That's endurance for days. You also get dual card slots, one for compact flash and one for XQD, offering speed and redundancy, exactly what pros need. Overall, the Nikon D4s is a legendary DSLR, built like a tank, fast like a cheetah, and reliable like a Swiss watch. Thank you so much.